Ever been typing furiously on your phone trying to reply to a dozen WhatsApp messages and then realize your laptop is just right here begging to help? Well, good news, your computer can totally join the chat. In today's video, I'll show you how to use WhatsApp web on your desktop so you can type faster, multitask like a pro, and finally stop fighting that tiny little phone keyboard. Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Steph, and in this channel, I teach you quick daily tech tips that make your life a little easier. On your desktop or PC, go to web.whatsapp.com. Then open your WhatsApp app on your phone. If you own an Android, tap on Menu. If you own an iPhone, tap on Settings. Tap on Link Devices. Tap on Link Device. Scan the QR code as displayed on your desktop PC, and the page will load and your WhatsApp chats will be loaded on your web browser. There you go. If you found today's video useful, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful videos like this. Until the next video, I'm Steph, take care and bye bye.